Hello everyone, take some white frosting in a piping bag with a nozzle on it and then make these circular shapes all around on this cake at the top. Then using a cake spatula, blend it out towards the center as such. Then take some orange filling and then line it in the shape of a circle as such. Now once you reach the center, you may flatten it out if you want. Next, take some green frosting in a piping bag with this nozzle and then line the top of the cake with this. Then take some white frosting, make flower-like shapes out of it, and then to each of the centers, add some yellow or orange centers. Add leaves all around it in darker green. Take some frosting in a white frosting piping bag and then add a nozzle to it and then make these curtain hangings to it as such. Add dots all around the sides as well. Then take some pink frosting and then make multiple dots at the top, mix it with lavender. Add pink frosting to the side base of your cake and then on top of this, line it with white frosting. Make these white frosting swirls all around your cake along with pink. Now line the top with white as well and then make this design in the top in pink. Add leaves to the base of each of them and then add flowers at the top. Next, take some yellow frosting, add it to the base of the cake. After you are done with this, add flowers to the side as well. Then take a frosting bag, using white frosting, add these dots all around and then make a flower using some yellow frosting. For the center, add some brown frosting. Next, take a base blue cake and then take blue frosting in a piping bag. Using a nozzle, make this particular design at the base. Next, once you are done with this, make these cotton hangings out of white frosting. Do the same with the pink as well using a different nozzle. At the top of this, add pink swirls as well as leaves. Next, start off by taking some blue frosting and then make these checks-like shapes all around one half of the cake. Now on the other top half of it, add multiple swirls out of white as such. Then add purple frostings on it. In the middle, also add pink and then this will be the final look of the cake. Add leaves all around wherever you find space. Next, take some purple frosting and then line the cake with it. Line it with white frosting as well. Mix the two colors together to make it look all the more better and then add it all around to one half of the cake. Add leaves all around to it as well. Thank you for watching.